Friends, I'm taking a quick minute to sit here. I'm in the midst of a pretty busy period, and it's good chaos, and yet it's still chaos. So if you can relate, if you have those moments where it's like everything's happening at once, oh my God, I can't get to my mat. I want to get to my mat before I went out. I want to do da 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 da. Where am I now? I'm going to bring the yoga. I'm going to bring the presence. I'm going to bring the calm to where I'm at right now in this moment. Okay? Hand to the heart. I like right hand on heart, left hand to the solar plexus area, which is right around the opening of the ribs. The right hand is a gesture of giving, and the left is receiving. So you can receive the breath into the left hand. And on the exhalation, you can envision, I love the visual of a seashell kind of settling to the bed of the ocean floor. It's so calming and natural and without stress or pressure. So that's what I envision, and it's also, I'm receiving from my place of intention and will, and I'm giving it back to my heart. I'm nurturing myself. Okay, so many of us are really good at receiving, or so many of us are really good at giving, and we want to bring some balance back to that dynamic. Again, keep your eyes open if you're feeling stressed, softly close them if you're feeling kind of down or withdrawn. And here's a great place to elongate your exhalation, preferably through your nose. If you're feeling stuffed or blocked or that kind of stresses you out, let it out through the mouth, but as if you're sipping on a straw, so slowly, just to lengthen the exhalation that connects us with the parasympathetic nervous system and can help us move into a state of calm, cool, and collected. And if we go out into this world feeling calm, cool, and collected, more often, I just imagine it to be the place of our dreams. So I wish you a wonderful day and an awesome weekend.